Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SolidWorks tutorial how to add multiple leaders. So we have this example drawing, and if you want to add leaders, you can go to annotation tabs and click on balloon. As default to be set into circular like this. And if you want to change the circulars, you can click at the setting icons and you can choose like into box, so it will be set into box. And the other we can change into square, this is for square, and you also can set as triangle. So that's it for basic SolidWorks tutorial how to add multiple leaders. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.